Hello everybody, I will be sharing with you how to make watermelon seeds well to boost your natural hair growth. Guys, here are some benefits for watermelon seeds in hair care. Watermelon seeds has a higher content in inositol than rice. Inositol increase the hair elasticity and reduce the surface friction of your hair. Therefore, it prevents the hair from breakage. Once it penetrates your hair shaft, inositol stay in the hair fibre after it been rinsed out. That is why I love using watermelon oils and watermelon juice for hair growth. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So I did blend the watermelon seeds, and after that I warm it up, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of olive oil. Then I'm gonna mix it together, mix it well, and let it sink in and sit there for like days. Yes guys, sometimes I leave it in the oil for like 1 week and other time like 3 days before using it. Since I usually leave it in the oil for days or weeks, so I am just going to screen a little bit of the oil after 3 days. Screen a little bit, then I just apply on my scalp, and this particular treatment require massage. If you want to know how I was able to turn my fresh watermelon seeds into a dry watermelon seeds, let me know in the comment below, and I may drop a video on that. It been 3 days later, I am just going to apply this oil on my scalp. Spray a little bit of water before applying the oil on my scalp. Then I gently massage it with my massage brush. And sometimes you can use your fingers, not your nails, just your fingers. As you can see, my nails is super long, so I sure ain't gonna use it. That's why I decided to use that my massage brush and gently massage my scalp. And you can also mix the particular watermelon seeds well with your other oils to make your product work effectively. I will recommend that you do a scalp massage about 2 to 3 times a week, and most time I just use the watermelon seeds just by itself instead of me mixing it. Unless I want a massive growth, then I will kind of like mix the watermelon seeds with other treatment, but usually I will just use it by itself. If you want to know how I mix my watermelon seeds with other treatment, the video is going to be coming up soon. And guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.